Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, you will learn how to add poll to your WordPress website using a Gravity Forms plugin. So let's get started with this video. Before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Gravity Form plugin. First, we need to activate the poll add-on of Gravity Forms. To do so, hover over the forms and select add-ons. Now from various add-ons here, search for polls add-on. We simply need to activate this add-on. Once polls add-on is activated, now we will add a poll to our WordPress website. To do so, all you need to do is hover onto forms and click on add new. Here in the pop-up, let's give the form a title as well as you can add a brief description as well. Once done, simply click on create form. Now this is the form builder area where we can customize the form as per our requirements. Here on the right, you can see various standard fields which you can use to design your form. You can also expand the Advanced Fields tab and use the fields from it. As we need to add a poll, you can find the field under the Advanced Fields. So let's drag and drop the poll field to the form builder area. Once added, you can configure the field settings by clicking on it. Here, you can see various settings. You can provide users with the field description to help them fill up the form correctly. You can even edit the choices as well by clicking on edit choices, and here you can edit the labels. Once done, you can here edit the title of the poll as per your requirements. You can check this box as per your name. Once done, now let's save this form. Simply click on the Save Form button on the top. Now once saved, you can embed this form by clicking on the Embed button here. You can select the page or post from here where you want to embed this form. Give it a name and click on Create. You can see the page here with the poll being added on it. Once done, we simply need to publish this page. Now let's view the page from the front end. You can see the poll has been added here. You can make a test entry to see how this poll works. So this is how easy it is to create and embed a form using the Gravity Forms plugin.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.